Guys, just look at this wallet. He bought this token at around 470. It went to $1.2 million. He bought Neon at around $90,000 market cap. It went to $480,000. After Neon, he bought Faddle. As you can see, from 70 it went to 220. Also the last token, Fort, he bought at around 43 and it went to 170. This wallet prints money and he's quite selective. Maybe he only have few trades per month, but all of them are profitable. Right now he has something around 8 sold on his wallet, so definitely he will use this wallet to buy another token, and personally I'm gonna copy trade him. Actually, I shared this wallet address on one of the reports that I shared on my Telegram channel. Every day I use some bots and codes to find some wallets with minimum 60% win rate, minimum 50% ROI, min 5 trades, and average duration of at least 2 minutes for their trades. And I share all those reports on my Telegram channel, and from those reports you can find so many good wallets like this one. During this video I'm gonna expose many other good wallets like dev wallets, some insiders, and definitely you can print money by watching this video until the end. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and join my Telegram channel. Now let's get into it. Okay guys, this is actually a new wallet. I shared this in one of the reports on Telegram. The same as the previous wallet, he bought Sammy token, but all the other tokens that he bought were quite different. Basically, this wallet follows some developers and some rug pullers, and as soon as they launch a new token, he will jump in and he will buy those new token launches. I shared this strategy on my YouTube channel in many videos. Make sure to watch Make Money with Insider Wallets playlist. I have many videos about how you can make money with rug pulls, with developer wallets, and this wallet used the same strategy. For example, on Sammy, you can see it was a rug pull actually, but he made decent profit on this one. He bought this token, it was a rug pull, very big dump, but he made good profit. The same for this one, big dump, but he made something around 300% profit. Or this one, the same thing. All the tokens he bought were rug pulls. They had similar charts, but he made great profits. But as you can see in here, this wallet has zero balance. Recently he moved all his funds to Binance, and there is a very low chance that he used this wallet again. But since we know this wallet follows some developers, rug pullers, we can actually find some wallets related and connected to those devs, and basically we don't need this wallet. How we can find those? Let's find some common traders between Sammy and the other tokens that he bought. For example, let's copy this one, go to GateCap website. This is the website that I use. It's free. Click on multi-token research. In here, paste the first contract. Then let's copy Shrek in here. And let's find another token. Let's copy this one. Okay, now click on find matching traders. In here, you can see all common traders between these 3 tokens. I found this one among those wallets. As you can see, he bought Sammy, he also bought Shrek, and recently 3 hours ago he bought this token, and right now he has 56 sold on his wallet, which is great because it shows us that this wallet is quite active. Let's take a look at this token. You can see the chart is exactly similar as the previous tokens and rug pulls that I showed you. It went to something around $750,000 market cap, and the wallet bought the token in this candle. So you were able to probably enter this token, buy this token at the next candle at around $300,000 market cap. It was an easy 2x, minimum 2x, because it went to even $800,000 market cap. This is quite interesting, and the good thing about these rug pullers is you can even find who bought the tokens in this candle, in this big candle, even before this wallet. We can even find some wallets who bought these tokens before this one. How you can do that? I shared my strategy on this video. You can find the link in the top right corner. Watch that video, and by using the same strategy, you can definitely find the people who bought the tokens in this candle. So in this way, you can even gain more profit. You can be more early. The good thing about following rug pullers and developers is they are predictable, and you know when you have to exit. For example, when it comes to this developer, his tokens usually reach maximum $800,000 market cap. Now let's take a look at another wallet. This is actually a new wallet that I shared on Telegram. This wallet is related to a rug puller, and that's the reason you can see this insane PNL. However, if you know how to copy trade this wallet, you can actually make decent profit. For example, he launched this token. When he launch a token, he will rug the token at the beginning, and then you can see a very big bundle and pump until here. So he first bought the token in this candle. You were not able to buy the token in this candle. You were able to enter this token at the next candle at $62,000 market cap, and as you can see, the token went to $3.2 million. This is a pump fund token. Another token that he launched was this one. Again, this was a very big pump until $60,000 market cap. You were able to enter at the second candle, or at the third candle, at this candle. Let's say we were able to enter at $450,000 market cap. It went to $1.5 million. Another token that he launched was this one. Again, he used same wallet to bundle the token until $60,000 market cap. Can you see all the three tokens were bundled until $60,000 market cap in one candle, and the token went to $1.5 million again. This token, this was different. His strategy was different for this one. Okay, no, it was the same. The first bundle was until $60,000 market cap. Then it went to $8 million. Let's say you were able to enter at this candle at $9 million. It went to $45 million market cap. But as you can see, you should be very careful, and as soon as you saw a very big dump, you should sell. Look at this one. Again, let's see, we were able to enter at $450,000 market cap. Again, $1.5 million market cap. This one, he first bundled until, again $60,000 market cap. You were able to enter at 80 and something around $1 million. The same for this one. This was actually, let me check, 60,000. You were able to enter at 100. It was more than a 2x, 2.5x. But keep that in mind. Every once in a while, this wallet, creates some tokens, some spam tokens to farm the copy traders. For example, he launched this one. As you can see, he didn't bundle the supply until $60,000 market cap. Immediately he rugged the token. You can see at $23,000 market cap. The same for this one. It reached to $30,000. But if he bundles the token until $60,000 market cap, you can enter and you can gain great profit. However, he could change his strategy. But this was a quite interesting wallet to copy trade. For copy trading this wallet, I suggest you to use TradeWiz. It's the best copy trading bot. You can find the link in the video description. Just click on copy trade, click on add. In here, make sure the auto retry is set to 3, because since this wallet bundles the supply, there's a very high chance your transaction fails. But by having auto retry, TradeWiz gonna retry again. Also, make sure you have a minimum market cap of $60,000, because he spammed many tokens, but none of them reached to this certain market cap. Okay guys, I shared this wallet many times. Even I talked about this wallet in one of my other videos. But as you can see, his balance is 0 and he was quite inactive. This wallet is related to a very big rug puller, and every token he launched skyrocket. But we want to find his new wallets to find out his new token launches. Just click on Solscan to find the wallets. On Solscan, click on transfers, and let's click on outflow. We want to see where the money went. For example, you can see he transferred these souls to this wallet address. Just click on that. Click on transfers again. Click on outflow. And look at this. He transferred 10 soul, 10 soul, 10 soul to different wallets. Probably, because these kind of rockers usually transfer the tokens in different wallets. And that's the reason. He launched a token with these. Let's see. Let's click on transfers. Yes, just look at this. This was the token, Stellar. Go to gmgn website. Let's paste the contract. And let's see. As you can see, the token reached to $680,000 market cap. Crazy. You were able to enter at around $47,000, something around a 10x. You can see he transferred 10 to different wallets. We have to keep going until this number change. For example, change to 15 or 20. Let me actually go to the last page. For example, in here you can see transfer 5 soul, so probably this was for another token. Let's click on one of these, click on transfers, and as you can see, he launched XTK token. So let's take a look at this one. This one reached to $200,000 market cap. You were able to enter at $47,000 at these sideways. It was a good profit as well. Okay guys, let's actually back to the previous pages. And as you can see in here, the number changed. So probably he launched another token using this. Let's click on that. Click on transfers. And as you can see, yes, he launched Shadow token. Copy the contract, go to gmgn website. Let's actually take a look at the chart. Okay, as you can see in here, the token reached $4.5 million market cap. And you were able to easily enter this token at this sideways. Can you see this sideways? You were able to enter at this sideways. Crazy profit. But how we can find some wallets in here? Actually, you can use Bird Eye for this purpose. I showed this strategy in my previous videos. Or you can find some cross traders between these tokens, because we found all the tokens that launched by the same dev, and now all we have to do is to find cross traders between them. Because I know this developer, he usually use some repeated wallets to buy these tokens, and that's the reason you can find his new token launches quite easily. I wouldn't share his wallets. The reason for that is I don't want more copy traders, but if you use the same strategy, you can definitely find them. I really hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Cheers.